Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Jim. At ito na nga post ng Mighty Clean. Ayan na nga, Pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa. Mighty D. Salinis. Ayan na nga, Mighty Clean. At next, kahit gaano kadumi ang labada, kayang-kaya ni Mighty Clean. Fresh na ulit ang damit after one wash with Mighty. Ayan na nga yung links ng Shopee, Lazada, TikTok. Try it now. At next naman ay post ni Barbie Fortesa sa kanyang Facebook. Ano to? Bawal? Ganon. Anyway, let's watch this.
Mm. Mhm. Mm. Oh. Mm. I'm a real bad girl, but a real good kisser. This ain't alone, bitch. I wanna have fun.
Uy, sana naman patunayan ni Barbie. At sana yung susunod na movie may kissing scene na. Anyway, next naman ay post ng Sparkle Jamie Artist Center. Barbie Fortesa graces the exclusive block screening of her latest film, Until She Remembers, hosted by Avignon Clinic. She was joined by her co-star Miss Boots Anson Roa Rodrigo along with the amazing team who made the event happen. Avignon Clinic CEO founder Christopher Chalweta and President and co-founder Benedict C. Also showing their support were Sparkle's Senior Vice President for Talent and Sales and Branding Marketing, Ann Puno Ignacio, and Assistant Vice President for Sales and Marketing, Renz Banawa. Ay na nga napakritik si Barbie with Miss Boots Anson Roa. Ayan, si Miss Barbie. O, diba? Ayun yung mga may-ari ng Avignon. At ito naman si Barbie at saka si Miss Boots. Ito yung sa Sparkle yata. At next naman ay this Filipino artistry is finest, a film that demands attention but offers a rewarding journey led by brilliant actresses who carry a story told with such thoughtfulness, intricacy, and power. Ayan na nga yung rating. Thank you so much for attending Avignon Clinic and Travertine's block screening for Until She Remembers Sparkle Family. Ito naman post galing kay Jeff Cabrera na nanood din. At next, ito nga nag-comment, subtle but deeply felt. Galing Barbie Fortesa and Miss Boots Anson Roa. Ayan. At sabi ni Barbie, thank you so much Avignon Clinic's Travertine Longevity for hosting this block screening of Until She Remembers. At next nga ay ito another congratulations for a very touching and inspiring story about generational love. Pambex's actress ka talaga, Barbara Fortesa. Kudos as well to the film icons Ma'am Chara Santos and Ma'am Boots Anson Roa. At next ay thank you Avignon and Travertine Longevity for the special block screening. Mahusay ka talaga, Barbara Fortesa. Ay si Robbie pala yung nagsabi noon. Ayun at sabi, pleasure to meet you po. O, diba? At next ay post ni John David, movie kind of day. Buti pa si John David nanood, no? Sila David din. Anyway. Uy, in fairness, ang cute nila. Pareho. Pandi nagkakalayo na edad, no? At next ay nag-comment nga sa post niya si Miss Barbie Fortesa, based on my experience, it is best to practice good work ethic while honing your craft. Maayos ng pakikisama sa lahat, dumating on time, at dumating na handa. Oh, and don't forget to have fun. I hope to with you soon. Ay, baka work yun. Baka nagkulangan si Barbie. Thank you for watching our film. You got this. At thank you naman siya kay Barbie. Thank you so much po, Miss Barbie Fortesa. Thank you so much, Miss Barbie Fortesa, for your kind words. It truly inspires me to work harder and keep believing in the craft. Hoping to have a chance to work with you soon. At next, ito yung mga videong Instagram story ni Barbie Fortesa. Let's watch this.
Travertine and Avignon, yes.
So yes, I had a new mood, a new mindset about this. Thanks. So ito nga, tingnan niyo po, pinakamagandang model. So thank you.
Ayun na nga, so mukhang nakumbinsi ni Barbie maging Avignon, suki si Ma'am Boots.
And first, I want to say thank you to my
At ito nga yung mga Instagram story ni Barbie.
Kapag nasa-stress po ako sa taping, ganyan, pagka kailangan ko ng reset, nagpupunta po ako ng Avignon for my much-needed treatments. Kaya thank you so much. Kasi ngayon, hindi lang po skin ko ang nakaramdam ng pagmamahal, pero pati yung pelikula namin ay binigyan niyo po ng generous love and efforts. And so thank you. Also to Travertine. Madam, magugustuhan mo sa Travertine. Ay, nako, sinasabi, dyan lang po yan.
Grabe, ang galing mag-promote ni Barbie. Parang sales lady na.
Fifth floor.
Sabi ko nga kay Barbie kanina, tsaka kay Miss Mice, thank you.
Ayan, more Instagram stories from Miss Barbie Fertesa. Ay na nga, at may pa-flower si Barbie at si Miss Boots Anson Roa. At ay na nga, more videos of Miss Barbie Fertesa. At yan na nga, no? So, ayan. And next are some interviews of Miss Barbie Fertesa. Let's watch this.
It was very surreal working with these big names. Actually, wala nga po yatang artista sa pelikulang ito ang hindi ko iniidolo. Parang lahat ho sila. And so, it's just such a treat for me to be on set and to just breathe the same air with these incredible people in our industry. And I just want to thank Direk Brillante dahil hinandpick niya po ako to play Angel. And
At next, more of Miss Barbie Fertesa sa block screening ng Until She Remembers. At next,
Screenings na na-attendan namin, ito yung this is the most reaction that we got from the film. Like, everyone was so engaged with the film. Nakakatawa, walang nagpo-phone, walang like, sobrang, wala po kasi talagang masyadong anything grand or anything action sa pelikula namin. It's a very quiet film, very subtle, pero punong-puno ng pagmamahal. At ang buong sinihang ito, naramdaman ng pagmamahal na iyon. And so, thank you so much. And happy Women's Month. And no better way to celebrate it than with the iconic Miss Boots Anson Roa Rodrigo.
Ano po yung message mo sa lahat ng kababaihan ngayong Women's Month?
Oh yes! Hello girls! Happy Women's Month! Buwan natin ito. Let's claim it, let's own it, and let's embrace our femininity. There's nothing wrong with it. There's power in it. And para sa akin, walang hindi kayang gawin ang babae na nagagawa ng lalaki. And we've proven that many times.
Thank you so much, Miss Barbie. Congratulations. Thank you. So beautiful.
I guess the biggest takeaway that the audience could get from this film is that it is not a story of make-believe. Kasi some people, I think they expected so much more from this film. Pero para sa akin, the beauty of it comes from it feels like real life eh. The fact that it did not have a script. We made the whole film without a script. So ang pinanghawakan lang talaga namin throughout the shoot is yung instructions ni Direk, yung characters namin, pero wala kaming script. Like in real life, we don't have a script. We all just figure it all out along the way, and I think that's the beauty of this film, na all the feelings, all the emotions are raw. Lahat ng lines, alam mo galing sa puso kasi hindi siya scripted eh. So it really, what we all wanted to say at that moment sa co-actors namin during the scene. So, yeah.
ayun na nga, multiple interviews si Miss Barbie Fertesa. At ito pa,
Tama ba? They're also showing this abroad?
Yes, that is where Miss Charo Santos is now. She's in Toronto for Cine Film Festival in Toronto. It's one of the entries there. And we're very, very proud kasi
honestly, to those who have seen the film, it may not be a box office type of film. Kasi we don't really offer a lot of grandness or action or yung mga punchlines, yung mga pickup lines, ganyan. Pero para sa akin, this film is very timeless. This is something na it had to be made. It had to be put out there. It's something that is not talked about often. We tackled about a topic that's not talked about often, but the Solar Pictures and Direk Brillante were brave enough to make a film about it, and we're just so proud and honored to be part of it.
Very well said, Miss Barbie Fortesa. At next naman ay more pictures of Barbie in Bohol. So ito nga with Christopher Martin and Mr. Alden Richards. Ayan. Ang cute naman ang dress ni Barbie, no? Diba? Grabe. So sobrang bagay nga ni Miss Barbie Fortesa and the handsome Alden Richards and the handsome Christopher Martin. At nag-Instagram post nga si David Licauco ng sa Taiwan. At syempre hindi niya sinama si Alex. Although si Alex naman yung lagi niya kasama nagde-date dito, ay hindi niya nga sinama sa picture si Alex Manalang para hindi magalit ang mga delulu. At eto na nga yung ating splok ngayon, guys, no? So nakakalungkot, guys, pero pinull out na po ang Until She Remembers sa maraming sinihan. I'm not sure kung ilang sinihan pa yung nagpapalabas ng Until She Remembers, pero halos lahat yata ng SM pinulat na siya. Ang chismis nga sa amin ay parang 1 week lang daw yung Until She Remembers, tapos after nun na-pull out na siya halos lahat. At tapos parang ang bali-balita SM Cebu na lang yata daw yung nagpalabas nung Kabakalawa. So nung Wednesday pa grabe talagang pinull out na siya. Nakakalungkot, grabe. Nakatulong sana yung papapa-black screen ng mga Barda fandom, kaya lang wala namang Barda fandom ang nagpa-black screen, no. So kanya-kanyang panood na lang ng mga fans. Grabe. At hanggang ngayon nga ay hindi pa rin nanonood sila Pikwa, tsaka sila Barda United, tsaka si KJ Abilino nung pelikula ni Barbie Fortesa. So napaka-hypocrite. Diba? Grabe. Yung promote sila ng promote kay Barbie pero hindi naman nila kaya supportahan yung movie. Diba? Kakapal. Well, marami pa namang movie si Barbie, no? So sana naman makakuha naman tayo ng suporta sa mga ungas na to at sana manood naman sila. Well, siguro nga si Pikwa ay hindi na magmagastos siya sa mga pelikula ni Barbie. Sa black screening lang ng Barda Royal yan umaasa. So ayun na nga, sayang. Kawawang-kawawa nga si Miss Barbie Fortesa. Pero sa bagay, hindi niya naman solo movie kasi yan. Nandiyan pa si Ma'am Charo at saka si Miss Boots Anson Roa. Pero siyempre, sayang, di ba? Sana bumenta para, di ba? Sayang din. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates in the next vlog. Bye!